Planning to try Sergei Magnitsky posthumously.
I do.
And the last one, Angola.
Angola, yeah, I was hoping for Angola today. We've seen the press reports about the reopening of the Magnitsky case. We continue to call for Russian authorities to bring those responsible for Sergei Magnitsky's death to justice.
This is the case against him.
This is the case against, I thought it was they were reopening the case against some who were found guilty.
And he's dead.
Are you confident that
I was told
no, I think it's a reopening of the case against some of those
your position on the
who
bill,
should have been accused the first
your
time.
position on the Magnitsky bill on the Hill is the same?
It is.
Okay. And then Angola?
On Angola, and then we got to get upstairs. Okay. So we had previously talked about Americans we had on under investigation in Angola for fraud charges in connection with a concert that they were promoting that didn't happen. Their name is Allocco.
It's Allocco, actually.
Is it Allocco?
Yeah, Allocco is a big company.
Apologies to the Alloccos. See, Matt has been in direct contact with them, so. Anyway, just to make clear that we do now have a Privacy Act waiver. Embassy officials have been in nearly daily contact with the Alloccos, have visited them at their hotel some 7 times. We have been present at all of their legal proceedings. We have also helped them to find English-speaking attorneys and other things. We did have an incident with them on January 23rd where the younger Allocco, the son, Patrick J. Allocco, sought refuge at the embassy after he was involved in a nightclub altercation. He did not meet the criteria for refuge, but we did keep him at the embassy until consular officers were able to ensure that he could get back to his hotel safely.
The nightclub altercation wasn't at all related to the case?
Not to our knowledge. However, the police in Angola have now opened a second investigation with regard to the altercation.
Why is it not correct that both Alloccos sought refuge in the
our understanding is that only the son sought actual refuge. By the way, we did facilitate. We gave him some clean clothes, some medicine, cleaned him up.
They claim that they were abducted at gunpoint and taken away by plain clothes.
Abducted from where? From the nightclub?
No. Abducted.
From the embassy?
No, from their hotel. Taken somewhere and interrogated by thugs. And you've determined, I think, that is not the case, that in fact...
we don't have that. What we had was Junior Allocco, Patrick Allocco, appearing after this altercation in bad shape at the embassy, looking for help and looking to ensure that he could get back to the hotel safely, which is what we took care of with our superb consular officers there in Angola.
Okay.
All right, I need to get upstairs. Thanks, everybody.